Welcome to this step-by-step guide on designing a login form using Figma in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate the Figma website and use the built-in AI tools to streamline your design process. We begin by directing you to head to the Figma website. When you open your browser, type in the Figma website address and allow the page to load completely. Once you see the home page, locate the login button. It is positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on the login button will prompt you to access your account. After clicking the login option, you will be directed to see different authentication methods. To speed up the process, choose the option to sign in with a well-known provider. In this case, select the option that says continue with a major search engine account. This is a quick way to sign in without entering extensive credentials manually. Once you click on this option, a window appears showing the various accounts associated with that provider that you might be using. All you need to do then is choose the account you typically use for your design work, and the system will log you into Figma seamlessly. With your account now active, it is time to access your design project. From your dashboard or project list, locate and open the project that contains the login form design. This project is already set up in Figma, so simply click on it to enter the design environment. Once the project is loaded, you will see your editor screen where all your design elements reside. To integrate the AI features into your workflow, perform a quick action by right-clicking anywhere within your design editor. This action opens a context menu, and from it select the plugin option. Doing so allows you to access Figma's array of plugins and navigate quickly to the tool you need. After accessing the plugins menu, look for the AI design tool named Design Gen. When you click on Design Gen from the available plugin options, the tool's interface appears. This particular plugin is designed to enhance your design process by leveraging artificial intelligence to generate user interface elements automatically. Once Design Gen is activated, direct your attention to the AI design section. Here, you will be provided with an input field where you can type your design request. For this exercise, enter your request clearly by stating that you need a login form. The tool is designed to process your input and generate a suitable design layout based on the specifications you have provided. After you have submitted your request, the AI begins working on creating a login form tailored to your design guidelines. As the AI processes your command, remain patient and give it the necessary time to finish the design. Within a few moments, you will see the generated login form display on your screen. This automated feature not only saves time, but also provides inspiration for further customization. By following these simple steps, you experience a highly efficient design workflow that leverages modern AI technology combined with the versatility of Figma. Enjoy your new login form design, and continue exploring the powerful tools available within Figma for your next design projects.